Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. This video is one I have been waiting to make for a while. I have finally started my MBA journey and I wanted to share everything where I joined, why I chose it and how it's been so far. So let's get into it. I have joined 4 School of Management. It wasn't an overnight decision. I considered a lot of things before locking it in. I converted the core PGDM program, and since I am a fresher, I wanted a place where I could explore all domains before finalizing my path. I have always learned towards finance, but leaning toward finance doesn't mean that I just want to make my career in it. 4 offers dual specialization, so I get to keep my options open, which I think is really useful when you're just starting out because my UG has just completed a month back. The location was another plus point for me, and that does open up more exposure and network opportunities. But more than that, I felt the environment was something I could grow in, not hyping it up, just what clicked for me personally was these things only. And I feel that after going to the college I related to a lot of people, and the stories I heard and the discussions that are going through, I can understand each and everyone's perspective, so I think the decision is really great. Our journey kicked off on 16th of June with an induction program. I was there with my parents. The welcome was warm and structured. We had Mr. Susmit Patra as the chief guest. He's a member of Rajya Sabha, and his address actually gave a lot of clarity on what lies ahead because he has been with 4 chairmen since years now, and the way he explained everything to us and the director of Ford explained everything to us was really nice for us. After the induction, which ended on 16th of June, we have our orientation week from 17th of June. The orientation consisted of a lot of classes, but it wasn't just class. There were yoga sessions, fun activities, and even an experiential learning day where we went to a forest with team games and group challenges for breaking the ice. It helped break the ice as well as gave us a glimpse into the kind of learning B school is all about, how the team worked. We had a lot of fun and it was tiring. We were there for a day, but actually we got to know about all of us, and knowing each other was very great at that point of time, working in teams, and the competition of course was really nice. We also have a business simulation class a day where we were just asked to trade, and it was a ship trading kind of game, and I loved it personally, and it was so much of fun. I recently started trading, so I think that is something fascinated me a lot. So current update and future content is would be, right now our regular classes have just begun and it's definitely intense. The new people, new subjects, new routines, it's a lot, but I'm excited to be in that space where things are just beginning because I knew all of this. I'm adjusting to a new environment all of total, but it is fun at the same time because the hostel nights that you get with your friends and everything is just so crazy over here. From now on, I'll be documenting this entire MBA journey. I'll try to make content as much as possible so that you guys can also get a glimpse of MBA journey, and not just MBA journey, about all of the things that are happening in my life. I would try to film something informal things too, so that we make fun kind of content. Also, I would be making some videos on what we study, how I manage my time, events, clubs, internship, mental pressure. Yep, we'll talk about that too because that's very important and I got to know that in last 15 days. So yes, and of course placements when the time comes. So everything will be discussed on my channel, and I would also love to know about you guys, that where have you joined. So if you are preparing for MBA or just curious about B school life, this channel is for you. So kindly hit the subscribe button if you like it. If you are in the same phase or just starting something new in life, I'd love to hear your story in the comments and the B school you joined, how your orientation was there, how the induction ceremony brought a lot of breaking the ice sessions for you guys. Like the video if you found it relatable, share it with a friend who is stressing over B school decisions, and of course, subscribe for regular updates. Let's grow together. See you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.